Today we're going to be transforming these plain white shoes into Blippi shoes. It's going to be so much fun, and along the way, I'll be showing you the supplies you need and steps you need to take to complete this fun DIY project. Come on, let's go! Russ, what you doing? Russ, what you doing? Russ, what you doing? Let's find out! What's up, guys? I picked up some K-Swiss shoes right here. They're all white shoes. I was thinking this would be a great project to paint them. So the shoe itself is all white right here, leaving it as a perfect canvas. Now I did pick up my supplies from Angelus. I'll leave a link in the description down below because it's like a leather paint. I got some blue, a sealer, and orange as well. And I picked up, they had paintbrushes, all the supplies you need, some tape as well, and of course, laces. If you guys see where this is going, I'm gonna be making some Blippi shoes. A lot of my friends tell me I look like the YouTube character Blippi. Perhaps you can see the resemblance. Now, I do have this orange bow tie here. Perhaps I could look a little more like Blippi. Let's see if it works here. Where am I? Whoa, look at this place. There's an arcade in the back. I wonder if it takes a quarter to play. Wow, Super Mario Brothers 3. What a retro game. Look at that, he turned into a raccoon. Wow, that was pretty fun. What do we have here? Shoes. They almost look like my shoes, except they're plain white. And look, we have supplies right here. Blue and orange, matching my colors. I think we should do an art project. I have the brushes, so we're ready to go. Come along with me. Well, first things first, we're gonna have to remove the laces so we don't get them ruined and they're not in the way. Whoa! And number 2. We don't need these anymore because we bought nice bright orange ones. Well, we could use the paper that was inside the shoes to keep our area nice and clean. And we're gonna use acetone to take off the finish from the factory. Now kids, you can't use this. Make sure to ask your parents to do this step for you if you want to attempt it, because acetone is a dangerous product. We gotta wear a respirator too. Here we go. Nice respirator. It's blue to match my outfit. Safety first. And we'll use some gloves. Okay, now that the shoe is all prepped, we can apply our paint to it to give it some color. This way, the color is gonna adhere to the shoe a lot better now that it's prepped. Make sure to shake your paint up. This way, it's all stirred up. Okay, well, we got both sides painted with the orange stripes. Looks real nice. We did about 3 coats on the shoe. So now we're gonna move on to the next orange detail, which is a very thin line around the bottom of the shoe. We gotta be very careful with this one now, so we're gonna use our fine tip paintbrush. Now, if we like, we can use our red vinyl tape to mask off the shoe. This way we don't get paint where we don't want it. Okay, well, we got the inside of the tongue and shoe all orange as well. We're gonna peel this tape off to see a nice clean line. So let's do that. Wow. There we go. A nice crisp line going around. Everything else will be blue here. This stays white. So we're gonna start adding the blue to the shoe now. Here we go. Wow, and there it is, all painted blue and orange. So awesome. This turned out great. Now the last step we have to do is add a acrylic finish. This is gonna protect the shoe so it doesn't get dirty and stays nice and bright. So we're just gonna shake this up and add it over the whole other shoe here. The acrylic finisher on the shoe now, and the last thing to do is put some laces on it. Nice bright orange laces. Let's open these up. Whoa. There we go. Nice and bright. These look great! Wow! Turned out awesome! Now we just have to do the same thing to this one. Well, to save some time, I'll use a little bit of editing magic. Wow! These certainly came out awesome! I think we should try them out. Come on! A playground! Was fun running around and getting all that exercise, trying out the new shoes. Pretty awesome. We could take a couple paints like this and turn that plain shoe into something awesome. I really hoped you guys liked this episode of painting Blippi shoes. I wish I could hang out a little bit longer, but I got other stuff I have to get to, so I gotta go, unfortunately. Be sure to say hi to my friend Russ, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! Whoa, what happened? Hey, look, my shoes are painted. Wow, these came out awesome. And it looks like they got some use. I guess someone was running around with them. Well, looks like that's it for the tutorial, so hopefully you guys learned something from watching this. I still can't believe how these got painted. If you guys enjoyed the video, there are plenty other DIY projects on the channel and game hunting videos where I go to thrift stores and see what I can find there. And as always, guys, I'm RussLyman, and keep your world fun bit by bit. I'll see you next video. And I want to give a super shout out to all my Patreon supporters: Dan Buchanan, Joey Ellis, George Sandoval, Joseph Riviera, Nintendo, Kelly Moore, David Apuzzo, Maynard, Joe Sheevy, TechWiz X, Matthew Hannigan, Alex Kaz, Ian Oshie, Ganaman, Rock Solid Productions, Turbo Jesse, and everyone on my Patreon. Link below if you want to join, and I'll see you later.